In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Rocket League on Switch, PlayStation, Xbox, or PC and keep all of your progress synced. This is going to be exactly how you can link your Epic Games account the right way. And before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up a web browser on your phone or your PC, and in the address bar, go ahead and type in epicgames.com. Once a page loads, look up in the top right corner and sign into your account, and you're going to see a bunch of different sign-in options like PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, Steam. If you already know your Epic Games login, you can also sign in with Epic Games and just enter in your email or password. But once you're signed in, click on your account profile name up in the top right and then select account from this section. And once you select account on the left-hand side menu, find the connections on here or linked accounts tab. So select this and then choose accounts up at the very top, and you're going to see all of your available connected platforms. So just connect each account to whatever you want linked, like Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, Steam, Twitch, optional, which you don't need to do that, but I would recommend doing that for the Twitch drops. Just press connect, sign in, and approve, and once everything is linked, your Epic Games becomes the main account that syncs all your progress across all these systems. After linking, go and close out of Rocket League and open it back up, and your accounts will now be synced. And it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.